Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the desktop icon is a shortcut or alias, not the actual application bundle. Once done, save your work and close the app so nothing changes while you edit shortcuts. Next, reveal your desktop and select the icon. Right-click or Control-click to see options. This is the first actionable step. You will either delete, move to trash, or remove shortcut. Choose the option that removes the desktop item only, leaving the app intact in its original folder. Now you perform the middle steps. Remove the shortcut while keeping the app. On Windows, select the LNK file and press delete or drag to recycle bin. This removes only the shortcut, not the installed program. On Mac OS, drag the alias to trash or choose remove from desktop. Again, the original app and application stays. If you prefer organization, create a desktop folder and move the shortcut there. This hides icons without deleting anything. Make sure to empty only the desktop folder if you truly want them gone. To finish, verify the app still launches from the Start menu, Dock, or Applications folder. This proves you removed only the desktop item. If all looks good, optionally empty recycle bin or trash to clear the shortcut permanently. If something goes wrong, say the app no longer appears. Restore by creating a new shortcut/alias from the original app file, or check the original folder. If the app was accidentally deleted, reinstall from your vendor or backup. Make sure to back up important apps before drastic steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.